Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Here we'll show a means of quickly checking model build, the full FEA solver process, and post-processing to explore model results. Once an FEA model is built, it will be submitted to the solver to generate results. With results available, the model response can be assessed and judgments made. We'll show means of checking model response both before and after the FEA solution, giving you confidence in your models and allowing you to make robust engineering decisions about their behaviour. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.